This is Christmas Eve, and I can't believe it. We're having snow, and I mean not just snow, but an actual blizzard. I think the last actual blizzard on this day was back in 1849. So it's been quite a few years since we've had snow, an actual blizzard, which this is going to turn out to be. It's hard to believe it was 75 or 70 degrees yesterday in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and now, as you can see, it is coming down hard. The wind is horrible. It's freezing cold. It is hard to drive in to do your last minute Christmas shopping. This is unbelievable.